I have been so busy, Noe, I never realized that you were so lonely, said Noe's father. Sadly, I am so happy and proud of you for helping this little whale. But you see, Noe, it must be missing its family. We must take it back to the sea, to the place where it belongs, he added. Now, children, Noe is requesting his father, please, father, don't take him to the sea again. Please, father, don't take him to the sea again. I am lonely. I don't have any friend, father, please. Now, Noah's father is realizing that Noah was really so much lonely. So, he's telling Noah that no, you don't be upset. I know you were quite alone and I am so happy. Noah's father is telling that he is very happy that he has saved the animal, okay? That he has saved the baby whale. But Noah's father is also telling that, listen Noah, as we have a family, this whale also have a family. If we will keep this whale inside our house, his parents will miss him. So it is our duty to keep back the whale inside the sea. So we can't keep the whale inside the house because this whale will miss his family. His family will miss him. So we can't keep this whale at home. It is good that if we keep back this whale in the sea. Okay, children? Noah and his father put the whale in a motor boat and rowed out into the dark sea. Then they put the whale back into the sea water. Noah knew it was the right thing to do, but it was hard for him to say goodbye. However, he was glad his father was there with him. Noah often thought about the storm whale and wondered how big it would become one day. He hoped that soon one day he would see his friend again. Now, children, father told that we will not keep this whale at home because this whale is missing his family. Noah agreed with his father. What they did the same night, Noah and his father put the whale in a motor boat. You can see the motor boat in the figure. They put the whale in the motor boat, and what they did, they put back the whale into the sea water. Noah was upset also, he was sad also, but he was glad that he has done the right thing. He was upset because it is hard to say goodbye to a friend. The same thing Noah is also facing. It is very hard for Noah to say him goodbye, but Noah was knowing that he was doing the right thing. And Noah, from that day, what he did, he always thought about that storm. Noah always thought about that storm, and he thought that how that baby whale must have became a large whale. वो baby whale था, अब वो धीरे धीरे जो है वो बड़ा हो गया है. नोए अक्सर समुद्र के किनारे जाके खड़ा होके ये बात सोचता था, वो वेल अब कितना बड़ा हो गया होगा जिसको एक बार स्टॉर्म जो है बहाकर समुद्र के किनारे लेकर आया था. इज वॉज द स्टोरी इंटरेस्टिंग चिल्ड्रेन? स्टोरी में मज़ा आया? यस. सो you all go through this story, and from this story what do you learn children? इस स्टोरी से आप क्या सीखें? That we should not harm any animals. हम लोगों को किसी भी एनिमल्स को हार्म नहीं करना चाहिए, चोट नहीं पहुंचाना चाहिए. Whale was such a large family, but who saved this whale? Noah saved. Noah, who was a small boy, he saved this whale. Okay children, have a good day now. Bye bye.